Hey, I'm William. Today we're going to show you how to test and replace the motor rotor on your Samsung top-load washer. If you're experiencing problems like your washer not spinning properly, unusual noises during the spin cycle, or complete failure to start, it might be time to check or replace this part. Now before we dive in, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more helpful appliance repair guides. Let's get started. With over 2 million products in stock and the know-how to help you do it yourself, we are AppliancePartsPros.com. For today's work, we'll need a 17mm socket, and you may also want to grab some tape. Also, please remember that safety comes first. Always disconnect your washer by unplugging it or switching the breaker off. Before leaning it back, let's go ahead and get that lid taped shut. To do this, I'm going to set this washer on its back, but you can just lean the washer backwards if you want. Then we are grabbing our 17mm socket and removing the rotor mounting nut. With that removed, we are pulling the motor rotor away from the tub and inspecting the magnets for any debris along the magnets or any type of damage to the magnets. If the motor rotor has any damage, it would need to be replaced. Debris can just be cleaned. If there is no debris or damage, something else may be causing the failure. If your motor rotor failed, let's go ahead and go through the replacement process. Here's the old motor rotor and here's the new one. If you've already got one, great. If not, you can pick one up at AppliancePartsPros.com. Now we are attaching the motor rotor to the drive shaft and securing it with the 17mm nut we removed. With everything secure, we can tilt the washer back onto its base. If you taped your lid shut, don't forget to remove it. Once you plug your washer back in or turn that breaker on, you're done. Fantastic job getting your Samsung top-load washer spinning smoothly again. We'd love to hear how your repair went, so feel free to share your experience in the comments below. If you still need to replace your motor rotor or any other parts, just grab your model number and visit AppliancePartsPros.com. Most orders arrive within just a couple of days, so you can have your washer back up and running quickly. Thanks for choosing AppliancePartsPros.com for your repair needs, and we look forward to assisting you with your next project.